We need to get it customized according to their budget. What you have to do is you just have to pull the strings upwards, so it will create a really nice neckline from here. You might have seen some Sabyasachi blouses. You can really consider this blouse as well according to that.
Great.
According to their personality, according to their heights, according to their skin tone. So this is where you can come and get it customized according to their preferences. Give us some small pockets here. We had some handwork done over it, so it can enhance in the evening look for the groom. We don't have to tell that it has been customized. It has been customized. It should look. We can wear it with shorts. We can wear it with any of the things, jeans and all, skirts. So this will cost you. It looks very nice when you're going for a special occasion.
So the suggesting of the designs and the fabric, everything, like can that be done online?
Yes, 100% it can be done online. Like this can be worn like this, and this can be worn like this as well. And a very nice multicolored jacket of the detailings given on the side, so that you can enhance your waistline and the hip line. So it'll be costing. You can get a saris if you want to remake into the dresses. Free size shirt. There is a really nice detailing on the collar. I would say for the young girls, and most probably they would love to have the striped shirt. It's an open nawabi with full sleeves and a full sleeves kurta.
Nice.
Now if you bounce it, it will just be like, it is so light that it will get bounced. We just talk about the plus size women. We have some smaller size as well who don't even get in the S size. So this will cost you around. It has a detailing on the back as well. For the plus size, I would say they really do think about it, and they mostly come here. Yeah. So now we are coming to the power suits. For men, for women, and for the kids as well, we do it. So here we are with cord set. It has been known as a bustier as well.